Good morning! It is one bright sunny day morning here in Banawe. Taran! We're staying in Banawe Sunlight Hotel. We decided to stay for the night here kasi kahapon we were so tired. We got the room for, oh no, I forgot. Let me ask my mom. Mama, how much is the room? 1.7 for 2 queen beds. Meron naman siyang heater. No Wi-Fi. So, yeah, if you need a place to stay here in Banawe, check out Banawe Sunlight Hotel. Near lang siya sa center ng town. So, maganda rin siya. Overlooking siya ng river if you can hear the sound of the water. Welcome back to another travel vlog in my channel. We are here in Malico in Nueva Vizcaya or Nueva Ecija. I think it's Nueva Vizcaya. Anyway, our main destination is the Sherman Tank here. Kaya lang we paid in the tourism assistant office where we paid 20 pesos. They said na it's better to see this Japanese shrine. So we went along this rough road, very rough road, and here's the Japanese shrine that they want us to see. Pasong Salaksak.
4,600 Japanese died here. 3,200 Americans died or nasugatan. And many Filipino na nakatira dito namatay daw. Okay? Gets?
Ilan?
Anong ilan? Ayan, oh. 600.
So this is the Salaksak Pass pala, where I saw this in Google Maps, and it is a memorial for the 4,600 Japanese and 3,200 Americans who died and were wounded because of the World War II. So we think that this shrine is connected to the Sherman Pass. So let's go to the Sherman Tank. So let's go to the Sherman Tank. We are on the road to the Sherman Tank and we saw this viewpoint. Wala naman medyo makita, it's just mountains. Nagpicture lang kami.
Later.
Gonna show you yung currently anong status ng road. Ito siya. Flat siya, paved, pero hindi siya sementado. Kasi ginagawa naman talaga nila. So this is another way to go to the Isabela province without using the Dalton Pass. You will be bypassing Dalton Pass if you use this road. Ang labas nito, going there, is Pangasinan. Pabalik is, ang exit mo is the Santa Fe, which is right after the Dalton Pass. We are now at the entrance of the Sherman Tank. Here it is. Wow, ganda naman ng park. Ang sakit ng legs ko! Our legs are all hurting because yesterday we went to Batar. If you want to watch my vlog about that, I'm gonna link it over here and also down in the description box. So this is the way going to the Sherman Park. It is beautiful. Couple. Ako lang third wheeling. So dito kami magbabayad ng entrance fee. It is 20 pesos per person. Here's the Sherman. Yan o. Maliit pala siya. Sherman Tank is automatically, kuya, ang Sherman Tank is US tank. US tank ang Sherman Tank. Okay. So it's all rusty, oh. Tas dito nilalagay yung bullets?
Oo. Ilalagay dito. Maliit lang ang bullets nila. Siguro dyan nila nilalagay.
Maliit lang ang bullet nila, yan.
Kaya hindi sila nakakasabog ng Tiger 1.
Ano yung Tiger 1?
Kalaban nila, German.
Sherman ba ito? Abram.
Ang Abram, manipis.
Sherman ito?
So guys, yan yung Sherman Tank. There's no signages or anything that can tell us why it is even there. Pero we took some pictures and they go inside. It's all rusty and broken down. Actually, yung wheels niya is lubog na talaga sa ground. Yan siya. I think locals come here to just hang out and chill because yung surroundings niya is full of pine trees and very cool yung air and very calm and peaceful yung area. So if you want to check this out, I recommend it, especially kids. The kids also enjoy it. Yung anak ng kapatid ko, they really enjoyed it, especially yung lalaki na he knows the all kinds of tanks. So if your kids love wars, tanks, soldiers, I think if you're passing by, you should definitely see this one. I'm gonna show you guys yung surrounding areas ng tank. Yan. Some of the locals are here hanging out and some are over there. There's even a tree house. 20 pesos yung entrance fee and 5 pesos yung comfort room. So that's it. So our next destination is to try to pass from here going to Pangasinan without using the Dalton Pass Road. We saw a video of it. Sabi nung nakita namin is passable siya, hindi pa siya cemented. Paved yung road, pero hindi pa siya cemented. Kaya we'll try to use the road. It's another road na ginagawa nila para makapunta sa Isabela province. And let's see if we can pass it and if kaya ng car namin. So guys, stay tuned. Nakikita mo dyan?
Oh, yun o.
Ah,
Ganda na, di ba?
saan?
Yun
O, sementado naman pala eh.
o.
So, yung history pala nila or signages why it's there is nandun sa loob ng bahay where we paid the 20 pesos entrance fee. We were so tired. Haba yung uphill climb. So, we decided not to go back. Sabi nila, the reason why it's there because sinunog daw ng Japanese forces yung tank. And since nasunog na yung nasira, hindi na daw binalikan ng American. So, ito daw yung daan pala during the war. That's the road. So, yan, sinasemento na nila. And it's going down there. Lulusot sa Pangasinan. Okay, so hindi naman pala siya fully not cemented. May space din na cemented siya. Like this one. We're stopping because we're gonna take some pictures because of the mountains. We are going to try to reach San Roque Dam. We are going to find a place to sleep malapit doon. And then tomorrow, we are going to see the San Roque Dam, the biggest dam here in the Philippines. Pero for tonight, we are going to find a place to stay near it. So, let's go find one. We are in TAYUG, Pangasinan. Naka-successfully cross kami. Not using the Dalton Pass highway. So we were looking for a place to stay for the night kasi tomorrow we will be going to San Roque Dam. We found this. Dapat sa Villa Filipino resort. Kaya lang yung price ng Villa Filipina is not compatible to the place because it's very old. So I'm gonna show you. May nakita kaming homestay. Ang pangalan niya ay Ave Homes. So ito yung tutuluyan namin for the night. Open mo. Diyan ako mo yung password. Wait lang. Ano yung cellphone mo?
Yan ka. Yan, hindi ko ma-open.
Pili na kayo. Ano gusto niyo? Ang cute lang.
Dito tayo!
Walang hihiga.
Ang ganda dito.
Yan or ito.
Uy, abot ko to. Oh.
Ito. Tingnan niyo ito isa. Anong gusto niyo? Ayan, may towels.
Dito may aircon. Diyan.
So they're still building that one. CR pala tong isa. Papa! Papa, magpatayo ka ng ganito sa, ganito na lang room ko sa Santa Niña. Tingnan mo yung room. Cute. Kahit isang room lang.
Kakainin ng anay.
Siyempre, tataas mo sa semento.
Kamit na. Kakainin ng anay yan.
Kahit isang room lang.
Ayos na.
Cute naman. Tingko. May internet pa sila, oh.
Ayos.
Ito yung CR. Open mo nga.
Yung sa ano, hindi sa church kasi, sa...
Wow, ganda ng shower adding, oh. Parang, oo.
Ito, yung sa taas.
Go. Adding, say hi.
Ay!
Time for dinner.
Sili, walang sili. May mga sili pa.
Magagamit na rin yung...
Dalawa na agad.
Ubusin mo to?
We are trying to go to the Ambuklaw. No, not Ambuklaw. The San Roque Dam, the largest dam here in the Philippines. Kaya lang, close pa daw sila due to the pandemic. Hindi abuitis ang may-ari. Pero anyway, we are coming back and we saw this small dam. Sabi ng guard is small dam lang daw yan. Yung dam daw talaga is up there in the mountains na. So we're just going to take a picture and then we're going to the sunflower farm here in TAYUG.
Ay, hindi. Hindi maabot. Maabot ko to, ha? Ay, kupit pa.
Para makaabot yung bato niya eh.
Anong ginagawa ni Kuya? Nangingisda? Anong kuryente nang? O di makakuryente din siya. So, ang next destination natin is the sunflower farm here in TAYUG. If you haven't heard about that, it's all over social media. Yung punong-puno daw ng sunflower, and sana pagdating namin doon may mga sunflower, and in season ata ngayon ang mga sunflower. So, let's go!
1 hour later.
We are in the sunflower farm now. It is super hot. So, bring your hats, caps, glasses, and water because you don't want to get dehydrated. Actually, nasa middle siya ng mga farm. I didn't expect it to be like this. It's walled. And this is what it looks like yung before ka magbayad ng entrance fee. Tanungin mo nga kung may sunflower.
May flowers ba? May flowers ngayon?
So this is the price. Regular is 100, and if senior, PWD, and student is 80 pesos lang. Ito ang ibibigay na ticket sa inyo. Thank you. This is the entrance.
Tignan ka.
Papa.
Maliliit na sunflower. Oh, you know.
Ito yung sunflower.
Hindi yan sunflower.
Hindi yung yung pinagano nila sunflower.
Kunti lang yung kanilang sunflower.
Meron din doon bidik.
Yan oh. Ito yung sunflower maze, I think. Gonna show you an overview. Pupunta kami sa view deck.
Maze yun, dito na.
Oo, tawag sa kanya sunflower maze. Yan o. Yan lang yung sunflower nila. I don't know if hindi season yung sunflower. But they're all wilting and dry and sad. No, gilid niya is mga farms. Grabe ang init. Guys, grabe. Susunog ka talaga. So bring your caps or hats, sunglasses, water, and if you want, you can also wear sunscreen. Ading, wear your sunglasses. Dito kami sa another viewpoint. Yan.
Saan sila, Mama?
Sa gitna daw.
Para i-push mo.
But it is so hot. Nagpicture-picture lang kami dun sa mga IG spots, which looks like this. Yan, merong bilog, merong swing, merong heart, tapos merong pa dun sa likod nung parang yun on nest. There. Meron ding play area. It is super hot. You will surely get burned. Hindi siya medyo maganda ngayon. It is March 3 ngayon. Hindi siya in full bloom yung mga flowers. Kunti lang yung sunflower and hindi sila full na full yung bloom. Maze 2. I guess that's sunflower also. Kaya lang wala pang sumutubo. Hey, birds. Birds, kuya, oh.
Ang init.
Pigeons pala.
Ang dami.
So we're exiting na the farm. So is it worth the price? I don't think so. We didn't see any huge sunflowers. I think that's only local sunflowers yung nakita namin. I was expecting na huge yung sunflowers. Pero if you're here naman sa TAYUG, you might as well visit it. 100 pesos, support local tourism. We're so hungry. Let's go find some food. We saw some food outside the gate. So yeah, we're gonna buy some buko juice and some snacks. So we're going to buy shawarma para hindi kami gutom-gutom. We're planning to eat lunch at the expressway. First lumpia, oh. Tatlong shawarma. 3 for 5. Yung tatlo wala. Tagtag mo to dun sa... Tara! Okay, pwede namin kinain. Subway for lunch!